Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here let's scroll down in order to find the display. Now let's scroll. Actually, we do not have to scroll because, as you can see on the second position, in the second section, we've got the lock display. So here we've got the screen timeout, and as you can see here, we've got some timeout options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10, or 30 minutes. Currently, I've got this 30 minutes option applied. As you can see, it is marked. So basically, all we have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, for example. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back, you can see that that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually, that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.